Welcome to my tutorial. This video will show how to differentiate these functions here. A is to differentiate 7x raised to the power of 5 minus 6x plus 2. 5 times 7x gives 35x. Then we subtract 1 from the power. The power here is 5, and so 5 minus 1, 4. Now let's differentiate minus 6x. The power of x here is 1. So 1 times minus 6x gives minus 6x. We did say the power here is 1, and so 1 minus 1 raised to the power of 0. Differentiating a constant gives 0. So we have 35x raised to the power of 4 minus 6. So here we have x raised to the power of 0. Anything raised to the power of 0 is 1. 6 times 1. We succeeded in differentiating 7x raised to the power of 5 minus 6x plus 2. And that gives 35x raised to the power of 4 minus 6. B says we should differentiate 4x squared plus 5 over x minus 2. So we have 4x squared plus 5 over x. The power of x on the denominator level here is 1. So taking this x to the numerator becomes x raised to the power of minus 1 and then minus 2. So the y over the x will be 2 times 4x, 2 minus 1. So the power of x here is 1. Minus 1 times 5x minus 1 minus 1. Differentiation of a constant is 0. So therefore, the differentiation of this function is 8x minus 5x raised to the power of minus 2. We can go further to bring down x raised to the power of minus 2 to the denominator. So we have this, then minus 5 over, when this x raised to the power of minus 2 goes to the denominator, it becomes x raised to the power of positive 2. X raised to the power of 5 minus 2 all over x squared. So we have all these values. Then taking x raised to the power of 2 up becomes x raised to the power of minus 2. X raised to the power of minus 2 times x raised to the power of 5. Remember our laws of indices. Adding up the powers, 5 minus 2. Then minus 2 times x raised to the power of minus 2. Now let's differentiate this. Coefficient of x raised to the power of 3 here is 1. So we have 3 times 1x. 3 minus 1 minus 2 times minus 2x minus 2 minus 1 gives minus 3. Now let's proceed to question D. 3 root x squared means x squared 1 over 3. Then plus x. X 2 times 1 over 3 plus x. So differentiating this, we have 2 over 3 x. 2 over 3 minus 1 plus differentiating x gives 1. So we can go further to rewrite this x. 2 over 3. And when x raised to the power of minus 1 over 3 goes down to the denominator, it becomes x raised to the power of 1 over 3. That is a positive value. And then plus 1. Now let's differentiate e. Now let's open this bracket. 3x times x plus 3x times 1 minus 2 times x minus 2 times 1. Now let's collect like terms. This is 3x, this is minus 2x. So 3x minus 2x gives x because 3 minus 2 gives us 1. So 3x here minus 2x gives x. That is 1x. And then minus 2. Now let's differentiate this. 2 times 3x. 2 minus 1 gives 1. So the power of x here is 1. Plus differentiating x gives 1. Differentiating minus 2 is 0. So differentiation of this function gives 6x plus 1. Now let's differentiate this. So we have 2x raised to the power of 3 minus 4 divided by square root of x. Square root of x simply means that the x here is raised to the power of 1 over 2. 2x raised to the power of 3 minus 4, bringing x raised to the power of 1 over 2 to the numerator becomes x raised to the power of minus 1 over 2. So 2x raised to the power of 3 times x raised to the power of minus 1 over 2 gives 2x raised to the power of 5 over 2. By following the simple laws of indices, that is, adding 3 plus minus 1 over 2 gives 5 over 2, minus 4 times x raised to the power of minus 1 over 2. Now let's differentiate this. 5 over 2 times 2x, 5 over 2 minus 1, minus 1 over 2 times minus 4x, minus 1 over 2 minus 1. So taking this further, plus 2 over, bringing x raised to the power of minus 3 over 2 down, becomes positive x raised to the power of 3 over 2. Now let's answer the last question. Will this say square root of x means x raised to the power of 1 over 2 minus 6, taking x raised to the power of 5 up, it changes to x raised to the power of minus 5. So differentiating this now, we have 1 over 2 times 3x, 1 over 2 minus 1 gives minus 1 over 2, minus 5 times minus 6x, minus 5 minus 1. We can take this further, bringing x raised to the power of minus 2 down to the denominator changes to a positive value, plus 30, taking x raised to the power of minus 6 down to the denominator changes to positive value. So we can take this further, plus 30 over x raised to the power of 6. We succeeded in getting the derivative of all the functions. If you know you got value from this video, please do well to like. Also remember to subscribe to my channel. Share this video with anyone who might find it useful. And if you have any question or topics you would want us to cover in the future video, please do well to comment that on our comment section. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get notified each time I drop a video. Thanks so much for watching. See you in our next video. Bye.